3, 2, 1, go.
Complete the bracket. 3abx plus 5adx is equals to ax into bracket empty, close the bracket. So we asked to complete the bracket. So in this case, what do we need to do? Solution. We have 3abx plus 5adx equals to ax into bracket. Now, looking at what we have here, this ax, in this kind of question, this ax is the highest common factor. It means that in this kind of question, you're already given the highest common factor. So, and once you, if you want to factorize this, we have 3abx and 5adx. And the right-hand side is already in the form of factorized form, but we don't have anything inside the bracket. So it means you just need to factorize 3abx, then you use the ax to divide each, plus 5adx. Use the ax to divide each term inside the bracket in order to get what you have here. So it means that what you are going to have inside the bracket will now be what? Now, a will cancel a, then x will cancel what? X. So what do we have inside the bracket? We have 3b plus what? A will also cancel a here. Now s goes with x also. So what do we have? We have 3b plus 5d inside the bracket. So that is the answer. Thank you.